Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a video for the Subie. We got some little goodies for it. We're going to be getting rid of these pink and black STI wheel caps. And we're also going to get rid of the chrome and pink side badges. So these are going to get out of here. I'm going to keep them, but we're taking those off and replacing them. I have some black and white wheel caps as well as a black and white STI badge. So we're going to replace those. Just wanted it to be more cohesive with the blackout C-tail or headlight covers, overlays, and then I have the premium style blackout tail light overlays too. So just wanted to make things more cohesive. So this is what we got right here. Got this from SYM Performance. They sent these over for like 30 bucks. They're on sale right now. And if we open this box up right here, we got the STI side badges from Subie Speed. So I got these both in, and we'll be putting those on right now. Gonna get the car on jacks, take the wheels off, and we're gonna get the hair dryer out and heat up the side badges, take them off, and install these. We'll do this first. Alright, so now that we have this heated up good enough, put some pressure on it. And we'll just peel this off completely. Here we go, trying to be gentle with it. And there we go. So I gotta clean this up a little bit, but there you have it. And we got the badge right here, adhesive sticking. Been bringing in the light. So this is what we got right here, and this is what we're replacing it with. So when you pull it off, you can see, if I can just move this back, there's a little piece in here that's kind of tough to get to. Once you pull that out though, the adhesive comes off pretty easy, and you can just pull this thing back and it's good to go. Alright, from there the adhesive is peeled and ready to go. So, just got back here and lined up. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. Probably not. But that little pin is going right there. Gonna make sure that's in. Alright, so that's it for the badge install. It's pretty easy. Heat up this the badge, take it off, and just apply the new one. It's pretty easy. From watching the video, you guys should get it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. Before I get started on the wheel caps, I'm going to put the car on jacks and everything like that. But if you could please hit that like and subscribe button, that'd be great. We're still trying to get a few more followers, do another giveaway pretty soon. So please hit that like and subscribe, as well as drop a comment on how you guys think this car looks so far. Just put the roof spoiler on, the gurney flap, and the duct lid. Love the way it looks, carbon fiber. Sorry the car's a little dirty. Haven't had time to wash it yet, but I'm gonna wash it tomorrow for some B-roll shots for you guys. Alright, so I already popped out the first wheel cap, and this is the one I'm going to be replacing it with right here. Got this from SMY Performance Auto Parts. They shipped it out pretty quick. These are about $30 I believe, but they're on sale, so that's why I got them too. And yeah, so if you look at the back right here, how to pop it out. When you look at the back of the wheel, when these are in, if you look at the back of the wheel while these are in, let's see, right there, there we go. You can just go ahead and pinch those points right here Just go ahead and pinch these in the back and they pop off pretty easy. So all we're gonna do is just take the new one right here, go through this right here, and then just pop it in. I'll show you guys what it looks like from right here. All right, so to put it in, I'm just gonna go through right here, set it down nice and evenly, and then just press on it. And there we go. It's in. Alright, so before I put the other one on and torque it down and take it off jacks, here is the front wheel with the pink and black. And here is the white. And I'm just going to repeat the process for all 4 wheels and show you guys what it looks like after it's done. I don't want to waste your guys' time with me putting the car on jacks and taking lug nuts off. So there it is right now. I like it already. I think it's going to flow really good. Alright guys, well that's it for this week's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The wheel caps and the side badges, very easy install. I'm going to leave the links down below for each part. One's from Subie Speed and the other is from SMY Performance. And yeah, like I said, I'll leave the link in the description below. Also, if you guys can give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well. Like I said before in the other videos, we got some good content lined up coming up soon. And it's pretty big. It's a pretty big deal, you know. I'm pretty happy about it, and I don't really want to like tell you guys yet, but it's a pretty big surprise. So stay tuned, guys.